Alright, so here we are. This is my most liked phone that I had ever. And I had a couple, not gonna lie. So this model is FTJ161A from Freetel, Musashi. This is a Japanese phone that I bought a long time ago, and I never saw good unboxing and overview videos on this. So I decided, you know what? I will make one today. So this is a retro unboxing. This phone is not new, but yeah. First, and in center is the phone itself. I will just put it on the side, and then we'll see what comes in the box. Of course, this being a Japanese phone, the instruction manuals and everything is in Japanese. So yeah. In the box, we have 3 main accessories. Charging brick, this 3.5mm headphone jack adapter from micro USB, and the cable itself for data and charging. Alright, now for the phone itself. It is super thick, and as you can probably see, it has been abused a lot actually. I did not put a case on it, but let's go. Like, this is the front, and it has a screen and some capacitive touch navigation buttons. On the right side is the USB mini, and this is the sleep wake button. On the back, the camera and flash. On the left side, you have volume up and down. Bottom side, just a lonely microphone. On the top, it's the hinge. Now look, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Why is it so thick? Well, because of this. It is a flip phone, a smart flip phone. Let's power it up by pressing the power button, and would you look at that? Alright, let's view it for what it is. It's actually the best phone that I ever had. This phone was so cool. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. This one had, if you want to put some charms, let me type something. This is the Japanese, writing some gibberish, I don't know. Wait, how can I change? Oh yeah, emojis. It's been a while since I've used this phone. Oh yeah, it also has the original emojis. So it is quite fun to text with this if you have the patience. If not, then you can easily change the typing keyboard like this, and you can write as usual and in plain English. But yeah, By the way, have you used a smart flip phone with buttons? It is quite magical to navigate the... Okay, so this is the back-facing camera, and the front-facing camera, it is this one. It's situated right here, and yeah. The camera is pretty mediocre, but you don't buy this phone for the camera or anything else. You know what you buy this phone for? This sound only. You're gonna buy this phone for this sound. Yes, this phone is gonna make you so popular. I swear, whenever I went to the restaurant and I put my phone like this and I opened it up, I always got like, yo, can I play with your phone? Like, it's always like this. And look, I don't really mind other people playing with my phone. I don't care. But it's a conversation starter. Let's see the buttons. What do they do? Here is the camera button. Boom. Instant access to your camera. Okay, web browser. Let's see. Does it take the default browser? Yes. Yes, it does. Favorites. You're gonna have a favorite app you can choose from. And email. Hold on. Oh yeah. Well, this button is used as a menu, I guess. Yep. And this one is the back button. Okay, cool. This one is the call button. You click on it and the dialer will show up. And if you just type, you get the number pad, and straight up you can call someone. But yeah, no SIM, so it won't probably connect to it. So yeah, let me show you another thing that is quite great with this phone. It has detachable back cover. And it has dual SIM and a micro USB. The battery is 2000 milliamp hour, but the battery life usually lasted a day. I don't use my phone to play games, and trust me, using this phone to play games, you're gonna regret it, because the display size is only 4-inch, right? So you won't have that much real estate to play games on it. This is basically a business phone, or just a plain phone that you can use, and if you have like an iPad or something like that, then you can use that as a multimedia device, and this phone as an calling device. And as you can see, it's pretty seamless. It's almost instant transition from clamshell mode to this one, and I set it up as if, like, when I'm closing this, to basically put the phone on sleep, because I want to dismiss a call whenever I close the clamshell. So yes, this is, hold on. Ugh. Yeah, I did not put this right. Hold on, let me arrange this, because I don't really want to. I know it looks abused, but I don't want this phone. I want this phone to be my backup phone in case something happens, or something like that. It's pretty sturdy, as you can see from the abuse it got. All the alcohol was spilled on it. And yeah, it still rocks. It still rocks, even though the inner display is quite broken. uh, it still works. It still works, and I slammed it hard. Like, I slammed this super hard. Let me show you the Android version. Of course, this is a custom version of Android. Oh yeah, okay. It's quite slow. It's not the fastest phone around, don't get me wrong. So yeah, it is Lollipop. Yeah, perfect. Let's change the color for that. Lollipop Android 5.1. It is quite good. It is quite a reliable phone. I never had any issues with it, other than it being a little bit slower than the most smartphones out there. But you have to consider this. Most smartphones don't have this amazing feature. You're like, hello, yeah, mother, what's up? Yeah, wherever. Man, this sound is so satisfying. Or if you like receive a call and be like, yo, what up? What up? Where you wanna meet? Like that. Like, this is magic, honestly. You just flip, flip, and then booyah. Man, I'm kind of like, right now with this hands-on experience, I quite miss this phone actually. I quite miss this phone. If this phone would have had like this whole thing being a display, man, this phone is so long. I only can show you like this. My hand in comparison is so long. This phone is so long. It's really a cool device that, yeah, it is quite a pleasure to use. Other than that, honestly, for my next phone, I'm pretty sure I won't upgrade to the next iPhone, whatever. I need the flip. I need the flip right now. And this smartphone can prove to other manufacturers that it's possible to have a smartphone and a flip phone combined. And with the Samsung Z Flip 3, it's been closer to reality. Look, if Samsung had this whole thing a display, I would buy it. It would be instant purchase for me. Like, I'm an Apple sheep. I've always liked Apple. But Apple cannot let me retain my loyalty to them if they don't give me the flip. I require the flip. I am a flip person. I like to flip things, and I like this phone a lot. As you can see, I still manage to make this phone survive a long time. And trust me, I never had any problems with dust. The hinge works perfectly. It is quite great. It is quite great. I never had any issues with the displays, other than me being a dumbass and a hothead and like literally slamming it open. If I would have closed the phone and then would have slammed, I think the asphalt would have a crater or something. This one has like Nokia durability vibes, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, this has been it. My opinion of smartphones is that, yo, only this is boring. I don't care about notches and like full display. This is boring, yo. whole slab of things. It's just boring. This one's fun. This one is extra fun, and trust me, you'll get used to it, and it's super fun. It's functional. This Freetel Musashi phone, it is amazing. For a phone and a little bit of WhatsApp on the side, and I use this phone for navigation as well. It gets the job done, you know? And if you have other devices, you can do hotspot on it. So yeah, it's not that big of a deal. You can use hotspots and connect to your other devices like that. Okay, so this has been it. I love this phone so much. This has been an overview for Freetel Musashi phone. I hope you enjoyed it. See you all in the next one. Peace.